Good morning, Bedford Hills Elementary. I'm Owen Terry, your SCA Secretary.
And I am Melissa Kelly, your SEA President, and this is the news for Friday, December 6, 2019.
Today's word of the day is drowsy. When you feel drowsy, you feel sleepy.
On Fridays, because we all have had such a busy week, we all feel a little drowsy, at least until the final bell rings.
Today is National Miners Day. Americans depend on miners to extract raw materials for products we use in our everyday lives.
That includes coal used to power our nation's homes, businesses, and steel mills, and materials used to manufacture glass and aluminum products.
On this day in history, in 1884, the Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. was finished, nearly 40 years from the day the first stone was placed.
On December 6, 1884, workers put a 9-inch aluminum pyramid atop a tower of white marble, completing the construction.
Today there is a shout out to Mrs. White's kindergartners for being the best reading buddies with Mrs. Burkhardt's fourth graders.
Mrs. White loved helping you create your Pete the Cats.
This is Owen Terry
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day.
Have a great day.